Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Inkstone-Infra. In this video, I will take you through this vertical extension, a popular method for extending the house. Not just that, we are designing a contemporary front elevation for the entire structure and full house interior design. Vertical extension is constructing an additional structure on the existing house structure. This is the load-bearing structure on the ground floor. That means load transfers through walls to the subsoil. The biggest challenge here is to transfer the additional load of 2 floors to the subsoil. At Inkstone Infra, we ensure that building strength is not compromised during the process of renovation or extension. We conduct tests to determine the proper load transfer methods in both load-bearing and frame structures. For vertical extension and old home renovations in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovation, architecture construction and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.